In this video, we're going to take a look at a filtration setup, and what we can do is we can use this to separate mixtures based on particle size. So larger particles get retained behind in your filter, and then smaller particles will pass through. And this can be particularly useful if you're trying to separate a mixture that has like sand or gravel or soil or whatever, or if you're performing a chemical reaction where you're making a solid product out of an aqueous solution or something dissolved in water. So what I wanted to do is go over how to fold the filter paper, but first I want to go over the components of the filtration setup. So you have a ring stand with a ring, and within that ring you have a ceramic or clay triangle, and you have a funnel placed in the middle of that, and you always need to have a container below it in order to trap retain whatever passes through. So I want to go over how to fold the filter paper. It's really simple. You just fold it in half. You take a filter paper, nice big circle. You fold it in half once. You fold it in half a second time. Make it look like a Sorrento slice of pizza. And then you basically pop it out and it makes a nice conical shape that you can then place in the filter. And then you can carefully pour your mixture through. Now, when you do that, you want to be careful not to let the water go up over the edges of the filter paper, because then you're going to get some of whatever you're trying to collect passing through into the waste. And you want to just make sure there's no holes in it. If you're getting any cloudiness in what passes through, that means your sample wasn't really filtered very well. So you might need to start with a new piece of filter paper and try it again. So, filtration setup.